Okay, I'm Butch Patrick. You might know me better as Eddie from the TV show The Munsters, and I'm here at the Celebrity Auto Fest in Tampa. Actually, considered Tampa. I think it is Tampa. And I'm standing with my Munster coach, Dragula, but I'm surrounded by TV and movie cars. One of the great things about being on the Munsters was I was able to hang around George Barris, the king of the customizers, and saw a lot of first-hand vehicles go out of his shop for Sonny and Cher, and Sinatra, Elvis, all the greats. And I was an 11-year-old kid who loved going to the shop, and I went up to the shop until he passed 2 years ago. George and I were good friends. This car show specializes in all kinds of things, but I prefer the muscle cars. I'm kind of a muscle car geek myself. I always had my first car was a Mach 1, then I had an L88 Vet, and so on through the years. I like Ford, Chevys, and Mopars. Love the retro cars, and the fans that come out and enjoy car shows seem to be Munster fans as well. So I understand this is going out to Atlanta. I used to live in Conyers, like Atlanta, great town. Good stuff up there, good music town. And I got to get going. A lot of fans at my table, so if you get a chance, go to munsters.com and check out the official Munsters fan group.
Well,
hey, Dr. Paul Bear.
Well, hello there. How on earth are you?
Doesn't look very comfortable.
Oh, I tell you what, this sleep number bed is awesome. You know why I call it my sleep number bed?
Why is that?
Because when your number's up, this is the bed you get.
How many cars can you fit at the Tenement Castle?
I don't know. All of them, I guess. There's so much of that place I haven't even seen yet.
What are some of Paul Bear's favorite cars?
Oh, I tell you what, I love the Munster coach over here, and of course, if it's a hearse, you know, hearse back riding, hearses. I love the Dukes of Hazzard car. My favorite episode of the Dukes of Hazzard was the ghost of General Lee.
My request there was Wilbert Harrison in Kansas City.
I'm hearing voices.
That's actually where I'm from. Born in North Kansas City Hospital. A gentleman named Phil.
Growing up, what was your dream car to have?
Oh, well, my dream car to have was actually the General Lee. Of course, you know, there was a movie with the car with James Brolin. I really liked that one. And George Barris is one massive creator who created all the cars from Batman up through the Dukes of Hazzard. And I loved everything that man could produce.
Did you ever have a soft spot for Christine?
Oh, yeah. In fact, I've named my hearse Herstein.
Where can viewers find you?
Oh, they can find me wherever they've got a shovel. Just pick me up. No, really. At drpaulbear.net. You can go on YouTube and search Dr. Paul Bear, or we have a Facebook page, Dr. Paul Bear, the TV show. So come on over and join, and we're always putting videos up there for your enjoyment. It's just showing me being normal, as in peculiar.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Absolutely, my friend. Always a displeasure for you, and just remember, I'll be lurking for you.